Beneath the moon of silver hue, I walked where rivers bend, through whispering leaves and drifting mist, where day and twilight blend. And there upon the mossy field, in silence white and still, I saw the stag of silver glen upon